Hello everyone, welcome to the DNA Alter version 2 usage video. In this video, I'm going to show you the basics of how to get the most out of the DNA Alter version 2. And if you are an owner of the first generation or even the first generation mini, then you know what those products could do for you. This is a whole nother level of we'll just call it healing. So the premise of this product is to help heal the energy of the DNA of an area in your body where there is a perceived illness or something, pain, something that's just not right. And after this has been acclimated and activated, you're ready to go to town. And this product is really meant to be about as interactive, way more interactive than the first one, because now we have 14 pieces to play with. This is a basic configuration, a basic starter configuration that I kind of like to use. Now, the pattern is the important piece here, not the placement of the 6 individual spheres or the middle one, but it's always important to keep the black base and the amber top kind of in the middle, and that is your focal point that has the ruby inside it. That's the engine that kind of drives all the energy that's being pulled in and pushed around with this particular product. There's a lot going on here, folks, and I will definitely be making videos over time on more best practices with this. But at its basic core, its function is to help heal, okay? And there's 300 and infinite ways that we can do that, but the most basic is once it's activated, you just simply put your attention on the center of the amber sphere, and you just close your eyes, and I want you to breathe deeply through your mouth, exhaling through your nose 3 times, really, really deeply. And as you have your attention on the amber ball, just close your eyes and kind of move your consciousness to the area of your body that is having the perceived illness or pain, and watch the magic start to unfold. Instantly, the energy that is being collected to help heal you is driven into the energy of that DNA, and the healing process starts to ensue. Now, because this is an ultra new product that we are releasing, it's going to take a little bit of time for people to start collecting their experiences and putting them on the website and sharing them. But I will tell you that there are an infinite amount of possibilities. And when you start, you just want to start by creating a configuration that just feels good. Intuitively, it just feels right to you. And that can be anything you can imagine with these components. The only thing that is absolutely mandatory for this product is that the black base and the amber go in the middle of your kind of creation, your geometric creation. And what you'll find is, depending on what you're trying to heal, the geometric configuration that you put together with the DNA Alter is going to change, right? So let's just say maybe you had a headache and you set it up a certain way for a headache, and then you want to heal like another part of your body that has something else going on. So the configurations are going to change over time, and also depending on what you're working with it. Now, you can also heal others with these. They don't have to be receptive to the energy at all. It's almost like the same principles that govern aquaware. Only if it's in their highest interest and it's not dismissing an experience that they're going to have will it work. 9 out of 10 times it's going to work beautifully. So, the name of the game is practice makes perfect. The more you utilize this product, the more you use it, the stronger it's going to get. The configurations are already there. They have been there, they were there, and they are there, and in an infinite amount of realities, meaning you're really not doing any work. You're just allowing you're remembering on how to use this product, folks. This product is slick. It's very powerful. There's one other person besides myself, which is Georgia, who's been experiencing a lot of stuff. She's done 2 or 3 great videos. One of those will be on the landing page. The others are on my YouTube channel. If you go and ask her questions, you can go and watch her videos. You can get in contact with her. She's really mastered a lot of different areas for this product, and it's got some great advice for you. So again, at its premise, it's really just about bringing that energy into the area that needs to be healed, the perceived area that needs to be healed, and just allowing it to flow. And it's instant, folks. It's instant. It's that quick. The way the new spiritual technology works, the more flexibility you have to be interactive. And when you are interactive with these MDM products, it just takes it to a whole nother level. So this is the DNA Alter version 2. And again, I'll be doing more videos as we move along.